are being sent into the park with this remote control car. The only catch is, this is a dummy remote.
I'm gonna stand there in the crowd and look like I'm controlling
While
it.
the rest of us will be controlling from afar.
But you cannot say you're sorry, no matter what.
No excuses, nothing.
You're ramming it up her. You're parking it in her garage. Go for the family sitting down.
Now go for a friend.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
That's an apology. That's his 10th apology.
What? Sal's a big softie. You know he's gonna apologize.
Get that guy with the backpack.
Nice shot.
Say you're sorry, Sal.
Now hit the girl.
Sorry, I'll take it if you do.
Get her again. Get her again.
You do it on me one more time and I'll throw the thing in the water.
Yeah, dude. She wants a battle?
Okay, hit her again.
Oh.
We should have got a toy submarine.
That's what no sorry gets you.
Oh, my God.